Hello and welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Today we're looking at the liquid plastic welding tool. This is unopened. I've never used it before, but glossing over it here. How you use it, from what I can tell, is somewhere in here there's going to be a plastic composite material that we will squeeze out. And then if we want to, whenever we want to bond, we'll put that material on the break or the crack, and then with this right here, there's a little light, I guess, on the end here. So you apply liquid plastic with UV light in seconds. Durable, permanent bond, fixed, fast. So that's the idea with this. We're going to go ahead and open it up. I've got a couple of places I want to try it on our automobile, and those pieces are plastic, so this should work just fine for that. So let's take a look. The plastic material is inside here, and when you squeeze this, it will come out of the tip, out of the end here. There wasn't anything over the end, so this plastic in here, it does not set up like super glue. It has to be cured by the light, the UV light, which is right here. There's the bulb. Yeah, here's some applications here. Pipe leaks, cables, toys and crafts, jewelry. On the front, I think it was glass, some glasses, eyewear. So I think that's what we're going to tackle first here. I've got some glasses here. We'll try that. Let me get my gloves on, and then we will see how this works. Okay, so I have to remove this little tab right here to get the battery to activate. So let's do that, and I'm hoping it will be still good because it is used. Okay, cool. Let's just try a little bit on this plastic right here. Squeeze a little bit right there. Okay, let's hold it on there for about 5 seconds. Okay. All right, very good. It's working. On off right there. I'm not sure if I'm not sure how to use the plastic here. It feels like there's a lot in there, but I wasn't getting very much out. I think you might twist it and then lock it to close it. I'm not sure, but there was never an end or a cap over this. All right, so since they were showing glasses, let's take some glasses and try it out. I can break these, and I probably can't break them that I want to. Okay. So off camera, I had to hold the glasses with both my hands and steady it, so I couldn't really film that, but I got it set, and now I'm just adding more. The best way to do this is to do this with increments, because this will only cure a small amount at one time. If it's very thick, it's not going to get into the very center of where you're trying to cure. So yeah, do a little bit at a time. So yeah, it's best to do it in layers. And I'm not going to waste my time in all the gel here, or the plastic on this. because I don't even think I wear these glasses. I don't think it's the right prescription for me to even. But yeah, these glasses would be perfectly good to wear now. No problem. And I could beef it up a little more if I wanted to spend some more time and some more of the gel on there. But yeah, the best way to do it is to get increments on here, then cure it with the UV light. Once that's cured, add a little more on top of that, and so on. Both sides, of course, if you're trying to do glasses. Alright, so yeah, it's working. So I have this wheel centerpiece, and this is broken. It's still there, so I'm going to try to bond that. This one is completely removed and lost, so I'm hoping 3 of them, if I can get this one to work, will hold this centerpiece on, in the wheel. So we're going to go ahead and try it on this one now. So it is working. I just have to get really close to it. I don't know if the battery's going bad or something, but yeah, I have to get really close. Alright, there's my bond. And as you can see, it's not wet at all. And it feels pretty sturdy. It's not as sturdy as the other two, but I think it should be good enough to hold. So let's see if 3 of these are going to hold centerpiece on. I think it will. Maybe not. I need a 4th one there. I'm just going to go ahead and seal it up around here. And you should be wearing glasses when you work with this. I just put about 1/4 of an inch here on the top. At least 5 seconds. Really not going to hurt to go longer. Okay, so that worked out fantastic. That's not going to come off. It's waterproof. Of course, if I need to break that, I can with a screwdriver or whatever to get in there. I could always do that, but yeah, that's awesome. Next, I'm going to try it on this Toyota badge here. Something else pretty cool about using this material, you don't have to be in a rush. I've already put it on there just a little bit right over here. I don't have to be in a hurry. It's not going to set up. It can sit there all night. The UV light is what cures it. So this piece has a gap all the way around. So this is just filling that gap. Of course, if it goes behind the plastic badge here, there's no, like for example, there's no way I can, cure it if it doesn't touch the material. So I couldn't, cure anything behind the plastic. It has to be right on it, and that's bonded on there. Got it on the center. We got it on the side over here, right here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is just use the rest of the contents that I have here. I don't have them very much in here, yeah, I think it'll work out just fine. That's on there. And I'm going to put some more on it as well. Very good. Feel pretty good about that. Still have a little more. Probably will go ahead and finish up with the rest of it. But I'm going to end the video here. So this stuff really works. 5-second fix. Plastic welding tool. Yeah, just hold it close. Do increments. And you know, it says 5 seconds. I went 20 seconds. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Take care.